Hi, Mom.
Hi,
Wow.
sweetie.
It smells good in here.
Yeah, you came just on time. Come in. Hi guys, welcome back. This is Maria again. Today we're gonna make peas with linguica and eggs. Here are all ingredients we need for this plate. So here I have pepper, olive oil, garlic, tomato paste, butter, little bit of salt, paprika, chicken cube bouillons, and onions. I'm gonna start with the onions. I'm gonna put olive oil and the butter. Gonna add the garlic. Now I'm gonna add the pepper. And the linguica. Let's saute the linguica about 2 minutes.
That's smelling good.
Yeah, it's starting smelling good. Now it's time to add the paprika. And the tomato paste. Now it's time to put the peas in. I have 36 ounces of peas. Now I'm adding the chicken bouillons. Everything is blended together and I'm gonna add water. Now I'm gonna cover it and let them cook for 30 minutes. Now it's ready. And I wanna give you a heads up. I mentioned salt and I didn't use any salt because between the red crushed pepper and the linguica was plenty salt. Now I'm gonna add the eggs. Okay, I'm gonna cover up the pan and let this cook for 5 more minutes. It's done and it's ready to serve.
You did an amazing job.
Thank you.